Good day, Pinoy Clixers and Mixers. Welcome back to the channel. Man Spider, does whatever Spider-Man does. But backwards, maybe perhaps. I don't know, so let's take a look. Look out! It is Man Spider. Let's go! Okay, so we have here, as you heard, Man Spider from Marvel Heroclix. Okay, so I got this particular product from Conrad via a trade. Okay, so we have here the image of Man Spider, a zoomed in image. Okay, a zoomed out image. This is a promo figure from way back. And on top, we have here an information not for children under 2 years old, preferably 14 years old and up. And this contains one pre-painted collectible miniature game piece. Promo figure, as I said, way back 2016. Okay, and I've been looking for this particular figure because of the keyword Savage Land. So I collect X-Men and X-Men adjacent figures, and Savage Land is of course a big thing in the X-Men lore. Okay, but I'm actually not so sure of the lore of this particular Man Spider. I guess he got experimented on and became this abomination. Okay, so anyway, thank you very much, Conrad, for the trade. I think I traded, I don't know, Lobo, I guess, Lobo Prime. I don't know, I can't remember. But nonetheless, I'm a happy camper because finally I have Man Spider and he comes with a marker. Okay, the spider marker. Let's take it out. Okay, so this particular markers are getting back into Heroclix in the form of possessors and curses in the Strange Tales set. Okay, but it works because again, Man Spider Web marker, then perfect. Okay. Anyway, let's pop him out. It usually come with this stand. I always say I like this stand because you can display your HeroClix figure at if you have multiple of this, then they're evenly spaced out in a sense. Okay, but again, Man Spider, you can see here, very mint condition. Okay, okay, dial is still how do I say it? It's still hard to turn. Okay, so let's put him on that spider web marker. Okay, and let's take a look at what he does. Man Spider has the animal monster savage land keyword and improved movement, elevated and hindering because of Man Spider. This is no longer relevant because everybody has improved movement now on hindering, but before that is a big deal. He has a special movement power, a flurry of legs and mandibles. Man Spider can use charge and flurry. When he uses flurry after actions resolve, if he hit the same target with both attacks, Man Spider can use exploit weakness as a free action to target the same character. Okay, but exploit is already a passive skill now, so I guess that means he gets to do a third attack. Okay, attack with remaining arms, flurry is that red movement power. Special attack power, which is save this one for later. When Man Spider hits with close attack, after actions resolve, you may attach the web marker. Okay, this is the web marker to a hit target, removing it from anywhere else. That character with the web marker can move without breaking away and can automatically break away. Other characters don't have to break away from that character, and when that character breaks away, you remove the web marker. So basically, it's that character with the web marker needs to break away even if he has improved movement or whatnot. Spider senses. Spider senses is the super senses. Okay. And carapace, toughness, hunter's instinct, battle fury. Real name is nothing. Okay, there's no real name. Let me check if it's a booklet. Nope. Okay, so it's just a regular card. One spider. Uh-huh. And what do I say? It's the sculpt is good. Okay, so 6 arms is better than 2. 6 eyes is better than 2. But 4 horns are not so good. And we're happy, as I said, to add him to our collection. He comes in at 100 points, which is a bit too much for today's games. Maybe when this gets legacied, he becomes like 75 or even 60 points perhaps. And Dial seems to be okay with 11 attack at the onset. He doesn't have a team ability though. He might need the Spider-Man TA, Spider-Man family team ability for this purpose. Okay? But what do you guys think? Share your thoughts in the comments. And until next time, Man Spider, Man Spider, bye 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 for now.